Hi friends, in this session I am going to explain about what is Azure Data Factory. So if you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and also like my channel and also share with your friends. Why? Because in this channel I am providing complete training of Azure Data Factory from beginning level to advanced level and also interview questions, real-time project explanation with scenario based, monthly updates, much more updated in this channel. So if you follow my classes from class 1, you will definitely will get the job and also easily survive in the real-time environment. So in this session, we are going to learn about what is Azure Data Factory and why do you need Azure Data Factory. First of all, you have to go to the official documentation what they are telling. What is Azure Data Factory? Azure Data Factory documentation, Microsoft Learn. Go to the official page. Who developed this Azure Data Factory? Microsoft people, right? So it's a Azure service. Okay. Azure Data Factory is a Azure's cloud ETL service. So first of all, you have to understand what is ETL service. With the ETL, what we can do. With the ETL, what we can do? We can do the data integration and data transformation. Don't worry, this first line is very important. We have to understand. Okay, Azure Data Factory is a cloud ETL service. First understand, try to understand what is ETL service. ETL stands for E stands for extraction, data extraction. T stands for transformation, data transformation. L stands for load the data. Okay, so this is nothing but ETL. Okay, so what we can do with the ETL? We can do the data integration. So what is data integration? For example, your data in 5 different places. Instead of having in 5 different places, I want to copy in single destination. Okay, so for example, you have data in the 5 different sources like Excel file, CSV, PDF, and SQL and SAP. Okay, so you want to copy in, instead of having in multiple different files, I want to make one file and I want to copy in the destination. Maybe your destination may be SQL server. This is nothing but data integration. Okay, you can copy in multiple different destinations also. That is also fine. Okay, it depends on your project requirement. You can go for that. Okay, so this is nothing but data integration process. Okay, now what is data transformation? Okay, so with the ETL, what we can do? Data integration plus data transformations. Okay, what is transformation here? For example, in my source file, I have the columns like ID, name, and the salary. Okay, but in the destination, I want to copy, like instead of ID, I want EMP-ID, instead of name, ename, salary. Here salary is whole number, but I want here money data type. Okay, or decimal, whatever you like it. So before copying source to destination, what we have to do here? Now we have to apply the data transformations. So here ID, I want rename here EMP ID. What is the data transformation we have to apply? Rename data transformation. And here whole number data type, and here money data type. I want to change the data type. So like that we can apply the data transformation before copying the source to destination. So we'll apply the transformations and we'll do the changes in the destination file. Okay, this process is called as a data transformation. Okay, so now try to understand what is Azure's cloud ETL service. So they are telling, so Azure, so Azure Data Factory is a component of Azure. Okay, so Azure component, it's Azure Data Factory. Okay, so if you know SSIS, so it is very similar function, similar things we will do in the Azure Cloud ETL service. Okay, fine, no problem. In Azure Data Factory also we can do the same thing. Whatever we can do in the SSIS, we can do the same thing. If anybody watching first time a video, we have a SSIS playlist also we have in our channel. You can go to our channel and you can check SSIS playlist. Okay, fine. So you can search like Power BI real time and you will get my channel name. Okay, fine, no problem. So here Azure Cloud ETL service means, here see this Azure people, so that means Microsoft, right? Who developed this one? Microsoft people, they will take care of infrastructure, they will take care of software and application. You don't need to bother. It is, see here, Azure's Cloud ETL service, it's a cloud. We don't need to install the software in our local machine because everything managing by the Microsoft people. You don't need to bother. You need to just create the subscription in the cloud. Okay, so if you are anybody watching first time, you can check my class 1. In the class 1 I already explained how to create Azure account freely. Okay, so for that we required credit card, so it will take 2 rupees and they will refund it. Okay, no need to bother about that. Only if you want to create a free subscription, so credit card is mandatory. That is the only thing. Okay, fine. Here, see here, now Azure's Cloud ETL service for scale out serverless data integration and data transformation. It offers a code free UI. See the other benefit, it offers a code free UI. You don't need to write much code here. Here we are writing simple expressions only. That's the reason why they are telling code free UI for intuitive authoring and a single pane of glass monitoring and management. And another important point, see here, you can also lift and shift existing SSIS packages to Azure. Okay, so what is the meaning of you can also lift and shift SSIS packages to Azure? So that means, for example, you developed a few SSIS packages. You already developed in SSIS environment. You don't need to develop again in the Azure Data Factory. Same thing, you don't need to develop. You can, what we can do is, you can just simply, whatever you created a SSIS package, that package simply you can lift and shift. That means we are moving SSIS to Azure, we can moving, and also see the other benefit, and run them with full compatibility in the ADF. So we can run with the full compatibility. There is no drawbacks also. Okay, same package we can utilize in the ADF, Azure Data Factory. Okay, so this is nothing but Azure Data Factory. These are the important points you have to remember. Okay, okay, fine. So next class we are going to discuss about top level concepts of Azure Data Factory. Okay, so fine, thank you for watching my video, and if anybody wants special training, you can contact to this email ID, or else you can call directly to this mobile number. My WhatsApp number also same. Thank you for watching my video.